Last class, we discussed the different data types. So data types, they indicate the category of the data. So numerical data means data having only numbers, whole numbers or decimal numbers. And in numerical data, we have whole number data type, decimal number data type, and fixed decimal number data type. And non-numerical data means data having only characters or combination of characters and numbers. Okay, in this we have only the text data type. And then date data. So date data means if the data having date or date time or time, we call it is a date data. So this is an important one, data types. Once we are importing the data, loading the data into Power BI desktop, we need to verify each and every column values and data type both are matching or not. If they are matching, then we can go for starting the visualizations. Otherwise, we need to verify, we need to change the data type according to the column data values. Okay, next we'll start with visualization. So here visualizations, what happened others? It's connected. Laptop you can connect. Visualizations in Power BI desktop, we have 200 plus visualizations. Okay, we have 200 plus visualizations in Power BI. Among these 200 visualizations, we have 36 visualizations are called frequently used visualizations. Okay, 36 visualizations are called frequently used visualizations. Okay, and remaining visualizations, okay, like remaining 160 or 170 remaining other visualizations are called custom visualizations. Okay, 36 visualizations are called frequently used visualizations. So frequently used visualizations means each and every report, they should have the visualizations from these 36 visualizations. And custom visualizations means these are depends on the requirement only. We select and add these visualizations. That's why we call it custom visualizations. But these frequently used visualizations are all mandatory visualizations. Compulsorily we use in our reports. This among these 36. Okay. That's why we called frequently used visualizations. These are. So frequently used visualizations, mostly we use stacked column visualization, stacked bar visualization, line chart, area chart, scatter chart, table, matrix, pie chart, comma, donut chart, slicer, card. Okay, these are the mostly used visualizations. In each and every report, we'll use a table, we use a matrix, we use a scatter chart, we use a line chart, we use an area chart, we use a slicer, we use a card. Each and every report, we use these visualizations. Okay, so among these 36 frequently used visualizations, most of the cases we use these visualizations in our report. Okay, and here coming to this Power BI desktop, these are the frequently used visualizations: stacked bar, stacked column, clustered bar, clustered column, 100% stacked bar, 100% stacked column. Okay, this is a slicer, table, matrix, card. Okay, all these visualizations are frequently used. Among these 36 visualizations, if you are taken any report, we have these visualizations in the report. Okay, stacked column, stacked bar, line chart, area chart, scatter chart, table, matrix, pie chart, donut chart, slicer, and card. And in these custom visualizations, mostly we'll take calendar view visualization we use, and histogram visualization we use, and heat map visualization we use, and box plot visualization. So like different visualizations we have, custom visualizations. Depends on requirement. We select and we add here. Okay, like scroller visualization, something. So here, these are the frequently used visualizations. If you click on this, get more visuals, and click on this, get more visuals, it will open a separate window. Power BI visuals window, one separate window, it will open. See, this is the Power BI visuals window. In this Power BI visuals window, we have, see, all these 200 plus visualizations. Okay, I'm scrolling here fastly here. See, lot of visualizations we have. So we can use any visualization using, okay, you just add this visual in your Power BI desktop. In your report, you can use that visualizations. Okay, so main our target is we need to prepare attractive reports. Okay, attractive reports we need to prepare. Normal, simple line, simple area chart, we don't take. Okay, we need to prepare some attractive analysis purpose. Speaker. Okay, so here, suppose if I am taking scroller, you can search from here. See, this is a scroller, this is a drill down time server, drill down time server. Okay, I'm selecting this scroller. Whichever the visual you want to add from custom visuals, just you click on that visual, and here just you add, that's it. Okay, once you add that visual, it will import here like this. Okay, any visual you can select from the get more visuals, Power BI visuals window. You just click on visual, add, it will add here. Okay, by default we have these visuals. These are default visualizations, frequently used visualizations. And this is a custom visualization we are adding. And just you select the visual here, and just you add the data here. Suppose if I am adding here category column and quantity column. Okay, see, it will come like this here. Or if I am selecting country column, will come like this. Okay, this is a scroller visualization. Okay, this is scrolling country wise quantity is scrolling. Country we selected and sum of quantity we are selected. If I am selected profit here, see, profit wise also it will show. Okay, see here, if I'm selected this, so it is quantity and profit, both it will show. Okay, like this. This is a custom visualization. We can select calendar view, histogram, box plot, scroller, and rotating charts will be there. Charts will be rotating. Rotating cards will be there. So we select any visual from custom visuals and we add in the report to make the report some attractive and beautiful. Okay. So this is the visualizations we are taking here. Next, we'll see interview related visualizations. In interview, among these visualizations, mostly in interview, they will ask, one is a scatter chart, another one is a matrix, and one is tree map, Another one is decomposition tree. And one is a pie chart. Another one is a donut chart. In these 6 visualizations, they will ask an interview. Okay. That two differences. Difference between scatter chart and matrix. Difference between tree map and decomposition tree. Difference between pie chart and donut chart. Okay. Just differences only they will ask in between 2 visualizations. And most of the cases from visualizations in interview, they don't ask any questions. Okay. 99% they don't ask the questions from visualizations. Apart from visualizations, we have a lot of topics. Visualizations generally they don't ask 99%, but 1% chances are there. That 1% chances they will ask these visuals only. Okay. So they will ask difference between scatter and matrix, tree map and decomposition tree, pie chart and donut chart. That's it. Okay. Or sometimes they will ask which are the visuals you are used in your previous projects. Okay. Normally freshers and 1 year experience, those persons they will ask about visualizations. More experience, more than 2 or 3 years means visualizations they don't ask. Only for freshers and 1 year experience, they will ask. Okay, these are the basic things. Okay, which visualizations you used in your previous project or in a current project, something they will ask. So we'll tell this stacked column, stacked bar, pie chart, I used line chart, area chart. Then they will ask difference between scatter chart and matrix. What is the difference? They will ask. Okay. And then next question they ask, have you used any custom visuals in your report? Okay. You can tell, I used a scroller visualization. I used a calendar view visualization. Okay. I will show these visualizations. Okay. You just 2, 3 visualization names tell. Don't tell more names. Okay. How many you are you are telling, your questions also will increase. Okay. Just 1 or 2 enough. 1 or 2 means your questions will be in that only. In that too, you are exactly aware with visualizations, then only you can tell. Okay, you know about that, then only you can tell. Okay, so new names don't tell, and means unknown all visualizations. Okay, suppose something is there, special visualizations in custom visualizations. So you liked that name. Okay. In interview, once they ask any custom visual means suddenly you tell this visualization name, they will ask. So how you used that visualization? Again, question will go in that. Okay. What we call track, it will change. Okay. Interview time maximum like that only. Maximum 70% candidates, they will start questions from your answers only. Okay, whatever you answered, in that only. Why, what, how, like this they will ask. Okay, they are asking like that means mostly they don't have skill on this. Okay, they have the knowledge, but they are not experts. Experts means they don't ask like that. Why you are using, how you are using, like this they asking means they are not experts. That's all. Okay, they are simple only. Experts means they don't ask like that. They ask direct questions only. Okay, they ask direct questions means they know the topic, they know the skills. They don't know means they extend the time. For that they will ask why, how, something they will ask. Okay, so these are the interview related visualizations here. Now we'll start one by one the visualizations here. So the first one, stacked bar visualization, and next stacked column visualization, next clustered bar visualization, next clustered column visualization. So these 4 visualizations are give same type of values. We'll use for comparison purpose normally. Okay, category to category, country to country, city to city, comparison purpose, we use these visualizations for And these four visualizations, they will give same type of values. Okay. And here, first one, stacked bar visualization. Bar means here horizontal lines. Bar means horizontal lines. And column means vertical lines. Okay. Bar is a horizontal line. Column is a vertical line. And next, stacked bar. Stacked means here multiple values are displaying in a single line, single bar or single column. We called it as a stacked. Okay. Stacked means multiple values are displaying in a single bar or single column. And cluster. Cluster means is a grouping. Okay. Cluster means normally here individual grouping. We called is a clustered bar. Individual grouping is a cluster. And now I'm taking the values in a stacked column. Suppose I'm selecting category and quantity. So once I'm selected here, normally visual means is a graph. X-axis and Y-axis will have. See, this is the Y-axis, this is the X-axis. Depends on visual, it will interchange. Okay. So here, X-axis I'm taking numerical data, Y-axis I'm taking non-numerical data. Numerical is a numbers, non-numerical is a characters, text values. Okay. So it is giving like this visual. Okay. You just click on this column names, automatically it will take. Okay. See, suppose I'm taking next stacked column visualization. Here again, category I'm selected. Here it is coming category in X-axis and quantity I'm selected. It is coming in a Y-axis. Okay. And clustered bar visualization. Again, I'm selecting category and quantity. And next clustered column, I'm selecting category and quantity. Okay. If you see these four visualizations here, see stacked bar and clustered bar, both are showing almost similar. Stacked column and clustered column, both are showing almost similar. Okay. So just single values you are taken, we cannot differentiate the visualizations. If I am taking one more value in a stacked bar, I'm selecting profit into same X-axis. Okay, drag and drop. And stacked column, again, holding this profit column, drag and drop to numerical data. And clustered bar, again, drag and drop to here, numerical data. And profit, again, drag and drop to here, numerical data. Now you see the difference is there. In stacked bar, stacked column, clustered bar, and clustered column. In stacked bar visualization, this is a focus mode. If you click on this, the visual will be in a zooming mode. Will come. Okay. If you click on back to report, again it will back. See here, this is the quantity value. This is a profit value. Okay. Quantity and profit. Multiple values are displaying or showing in a single bar. For office supplies, total quantity, total profit. For technology, total quantity, total profit. For furniture, total quantity, total profit. Okay. Category wise, total quantity and profit it is showing. And multiple values we are taken. Profit and quantity. Multiple values it is showing in a single line. Okay. We called it is a stacked one. Bar means horizontal lines. And similarly here also, this is a stacked column. Vertically it is showing. Okay. Multiple values are displaying in a single line. And coming to this clustered bar. Bar is again horizontal lines. And here individual grouping is called cluster. Individual grouping means office supply related quantity and profit. So individually it is showing here, but grouping we called individual grouping is a cluster. Okay, here in a single line is there. Here individual grouping is a cluster. Okay, and this is a clustered column, vertical lines. So all the four visualizations, they are giving same values. They are displaying the same values. Now the question is, which visualization we select in our report? All they are giving same values they are showing. Which visualization is a preferable in our report? Stacked bar, stacked column, clustered bar or clustered column. Okay. Normally visualization, they are giving, showing same values. Based on two options, we select the visual. The first one is performance analyzer. One option is there, performance analyzer. Performance analyzer, it will display, it will show the time of displaying visualization. Okay. So it means I will show here. We go to, view tab. Inside this view tab, here we have performance analyzer. Okay. I click on this performance analyzer here. This is. Okay. In performance analyzer, what it will display here, the time display of the each visualization. Okay. Time taking to display the visual values. So sometimes if I am going to page 3, next page, again I am coming to page 1. So that time each visual, it will take some time to blink. Okay, it will take some time to display. If you have huge data, sometimes visual, they'll take more time to blink the values, to display the values. Okay, it is like a same YouTube, you are opening some videos. Sometimes if network is a slow, video will be scrolling, downloading or uploading, it will scrolling that time. If networking is a fast, scroll will be not there, it will come fastly. It will display or upload and download fastly. Same thing here, visual also, it will take some time, depends on the data. If huge data is there, it will take more time to display values. Okay. So for filtering time and for page to page shifting time, it will take time to display, time to blink. See here, I'm going to page 3 here. Again, I'm coming to page 2. Okay. So here they're taking some time. So that time it will display in this performance analyzer. Okay. So click on start recording. Now I'm going to here page 3. Again, I'm coming to page 2. Okay. Have you observed each visual, it is taking some time to blink, but it is a very less time. So that's why we are not able to see. Data is a less. If you have huge data, they will take more time. See, the first visual, it is taken 337 milliseconds duration it will show. Second 336, 335, 333 milliseconds. So milliseconds, that's why we are not able to observe it. Our eyes are not observing. If it is a 3 seconds, 4 seconds, then we can analyze. Okay. If huge data is there, it will take visuals more time. Okay. So here, based on this performance analyzer, we are selecting these visuals. The first one, it is giving 337. This last visual, it is taking 333 milliseconds. Okay. Almost nearby values only we have. Just 1 millisecond, 2 milliseconds difference is there here. Okay. So this is the first option, performance analyzer. Based on this, we select the visual. And the second option is it depends on mindset of the developer. Okay. So maybe I like this visualization. Okay. Maybe Rajat will like this visualization. Okay. Maybe Harita will like this visualization. Depends on developer mind. Okay. Why means the first option we are seeing performance analyzer. Almost all visuals, they are just having 1 or 2 milliseconds of difference. So we can select any visual. No, no. It's a visual to visual, it will change. Few visuals, it will take more time. Few visuals, it will take less time. Okay, the timing it will display here in this. Okay, so which visual is taking less time? That visual will prefer here. Okay, more time it is taking means normally we don't prefer. Okay, why means in front of the client, if you are showing the visualizations, so client, suppose huge data is added and visual it is taking some 10 seconds or 15 seconds of time to display, to blink. So once client he open that for analysis, he need to wait for 10 seconds to see the visual. Okay, so simply sitting and watching. So 10 seconds it will take some time. Suppose he's waiting. And if you filter the values, suppose he want to see only China data. If filtered, all the countries data is there, only China he selected and filtered. Filter time again it is taking 10 seconds. So again he's waiting and see for only China data to see. Okay, that time, that's why which is taking a lesser time will prefer that visualization. Okay, so these are the first four visualizations using for comparison purpose. So category wise, quantity and profit, we are comparing here which category having highest quantity, lowest quantity, highest profit, lowest profit, we can analyze here. And now we'll come to remove means this one. Just delete, that's it. Yes, you click on that visual and delete. And one more important, don't click on visualization here. Inside the visual, don't click on these values, bars or columns. Okay, why means by default, we have the interaction between visuals. Okay, suppose if I click on this, see, all the visuals will get filtration. Okay, so whenever you're selecting the visual, just beside any empty place, blank space will be there. You click on that. Okay, so just click on this and click on delete. Or more options is there. Here remove option will be there. Okay, na? Either you can click on more options, remove, but people they don't wait for till that time also. Select and delete. Direct options only will prefer. Okay. So here, just we selected the visuals. If you see the first one, here the values, font sizes are very small is there. And here also font size very small is there. Okay. Next what we will do here, formatting I will show. Okay. So I'm selecting suppose stacked column and category quantity I'm selected. Okay. And this is a build visual. We are selecting the visual and values. Second one, format your visual is there. You just click on this, format your visual. Formatting means we are doing makeup to the visual. Okay, makeup we are doing this. Colorful we need to do. Okay, colorful means don't make complete full red colors. Full red, full yellow, don't make. Okay, light colors is the preferable. Okay, if US client they see full red will be there. We will see like this. What is this? Okay. So here we have two options, visual and general in formatting. In visual, we have visual means actually is the front end of the visual. General means it's a back end of the visual. Okay, back end means background, border, all will come. In the front end means x-axis, y-axis, values, title, and these are all will come. So if you click on this x-axis drop down, here in x-axis, values, title, layout, three options are there. Values means, I'll put in focus mode. Values means office supplies, technology, furniture. These are the values. Title means this is the title. Category in x-axis, sum of quantity in y-axis or the title. So if you don't want to show values, you just switch off it. Okay. See, it will not display the values. If you switch off the title, it will not display. Click on these values. So here is the same as Excel file, Word file, we have the formatting, same like that only. So if you want, you can change the font size, style and font size you can change. Font size normally will prefer 9, 10, 11. Okay, these three values only will prefer either 9 or 10 or 11. Okay, don't go for 15, 20, that are all don't go. Okay, see if you are selected like this, 15, 20, it will show like this. Okay, instead of analysis, names only it will show. Okay, we need to prefer for analysis, priority. Title, these are all you can give. Visible means enough. And can select bold and color, see black color. Normally x-axis values, title, y-axis values, title, all will prefer black color. Okay. You can take italic, underline, anything. Underline means it will come like this. So it depends. Few people they'll select, but attractive we need to prepare. And next title. So this is a title. Auto it is taking. Once you selected category will come here. And again, font style. If you want, you can change the font style here. Anything like this. See. And this is also same 9, 10, 11. And bold if you want, you can select the bold and black color selecting. Okay. Layout is there. This is a not required layout. You can leave it. And coming to y-axis. Y-axis, we have numerical data, numbers. So it is giving range here. Okay. See range, values, title. Range it is taking automatically, minimum and maximum. Automatically based on the column data values, it is selecting minimum and maximum here. If you want, you can change. Okay. You can change the minimum value, maximum value. See, minimum it is starting from 0. If you want starting from 20K, you just click on this. You can give here 20,000. So it will take minimum is a 20,000. Okay. But normally we'll prefer 0. 0 is the best starting. And values, again, same font size, you can increase, bold, you can take, and color, you can take here, black color, something. Okay. And below this, we have display unit. Display unit means auto is there, none is there, thousands, millions, billions, trillions, option. Video also. Okay. So here, none option, if you are selected, expanded value, it will show. Complete expanded one. If I'm selected thousands, it will show in a K, 80K, 60K like this. Instead of 60,000, 60K. If I'm selecting here millions, it will show in a millions, 0.0008 millions it will come. If I'm select billions, billions values. If trillions, see trillions. So normally preferable is a thousands. Okay, thousands is a preferable one. We don't go for billion, trillion or. Okay, so maximum will get thousands only. So this is the one. And this is a decimal places. If you have any decimal places, you can change here. See, suppose if I'm selected 2. After decimal point, 2 digits it will show. Okay, but we don't have the decimal numbers here. And this is a title. Title again, if you want, you can change the style here. See, any style you can select, and this is on and bold and color. So x-axis values, x-axis title, y-axis values, y-axis title. And next one, grid lines. So grid lines here, horizontal lines, vertical lines, it will come. So if you are okay means you can select this. Otherwise, we don't select. See here, it will show like this. Grid lines. Okay. Few people they will take the grid lines, few people they don't prefer. Okay, it looks different. See, like this. Okay. If you are selected a horizontal, vertical also, it will come like this. All boxes will come. Okay. If you don't want, you just switch off this grid lines. And zoom slider. If I'm select zoom slider, see here it will come like this. You can zoom it. See 0, 20K, 40K like that is there. So if you are zooming here, in between 10K difference, in between 5K difference, in between 2K difference. Okay, in that difference, we can analyze the data. Okay, if you don't want, you just switch off it. And next, columns related. So columns related, if you want, you can select the color here like this. Instead of blue, you can color any color you can select. See, like this. And show all option is there. Here, individually, you can select if you want. See, office supplies, one color, technology, one color, and furniture, one color, like this. Okay, we differentiate. Okay, this color is office supplies, this color is a technology, like this. Your wish, you can select that. Okay, I told colorful we need to prepare. And the spacing between columns. Okay, in between columns, spacing. And next is the data labels. If I switch on this, see, it will show the values, each one value. Office supplies 108K, technology 35K, furniture 35K, it is showing data labels, data values. And here options are there. You can show horizontally or you can show vertically. Vertically means it will rotate. See, like this. Okay, na? And horizontal means this one. And position. So you can keep inside and the values. See, inside and it will come. Or outside and you can place. Or inside center you can place. Or inside base you can place. Okay. Inside center is a preferable one. It looks good inside center. Okay. And next, values. So this is a values formatting. You can increase the value font size, you can take bold, and you can take the color. You can take any color, black color or white color, anything. And display unit. If you want, you can take a none or kilo as a case or millions, billions you can take. And decimal places. And background color. Background means highlighting the number. Okay. If I click on this background, it will be highlighting here. Okay. For highlighting, suppose I'm selecting, okay, this color. And transparency, I'm changing here. See. Okay. Normally highlighter will take and will put highlighting, same like that. Numbers will be highlighting here. Okay. You can take any color or you click on more colors. You can select from here colors. See, like this. Any color you can select. Okay. Normally, whenever you are selecting the colors, if your font color is a black color, background will prefer light color. Okay. If font color is a white color, then background will prefer dark color. Okay. We need to display it. See, if you are taken black color and background you are taking dark color, it will not display the values properly. Okay. If background dark means font color you select here, white color is a good preferable it is. If font is a black background you select dark light color. Okay. Black means we need to show the values. Okay. Next, that's it. Play each background that is not required. So x-axis values, x-axis title, y-axis values, y-axis title, and data labels and column colors and data label background we are selected. And general. General, first we have properties, title, effects, different options. Properties, here it will show height and width of the visual. Okay, see. You can increase the height. You can increase the width. Okay. See, if I'm taking this height and width, you can increase and decrease. If directly you are doing here, some odd values, it will come 344, 347, something. Okay. Exact height and width, exact resolution you can set 300, 400, 400, 500, something. Okay, why means if multiple visuals are there, one visual is 300, 400, one visual is a 500, 600, one visual is a 400, 500. So all visuals, they having different height and width. It looks differently, report, it looks odd. Okay, so we'll make all the visuals almost same height and width using this property. Okay, same see here, tiles they are applied in ground. If tiles they are taking, one is a small tile, one is a large tile, one is a medium tile, it looks different actually. Okay, if you are taking all same sizes, then it looks good actually. Same like that, we are making height and width using property, same height and width, uniform, unique. And title, so this is the title, this one. You can change the title if you want. See, instead of sum of quantity, just I am taking quantity by category. And here font size, you can increase or decrease, you can take bold, you can change the style like this. Okay, and text color and background color you can select, see, like this. And center alignment, left, center, right. Okay, this is a title related here. And effects. In effects, we have background, visual border, and shadow. So background color, visual background color, suppose I'm selecting this color. Okay, see, it will take like this color. If you want, you can use a transparency, you can decrease the intensity, light color, dark color, you can take. Okay, or if I'm selecting this background is a green color, so if I'm taking dark green, or you can make it light green. Okay, see, instead of green color, this one will looks good. Light colors will be fine. This is a background and visual border, so border line. Okay, I'm selecting this, border line will come. And here borderline black color we are taking. See, black color border. If you want rounded corners, you select the visual and format, general, effects. In visual border, rounded corners you can change. 15 or 16 you can put. Rounded corners will come. It looks attractive. And the next one is a shadow. If I click on this, see, light shadow will come for the visual background shadow. Okay, so if I'm selecting this, you can keep outside or inside shadow. Inside means like this, outside. Okay, normally outside is a preferable one. And position, you can keep anywhere, bottom right, top left, top, right. See top right, if I'm selected, it will come this. If top left I'm selected, see light black color is the shadow. Okay. You can select anyone, bottom right, anything. Okay. This is a shadow. And this is a header icon not required. Tooltips. Tooltips means if I keep the pointer here, it is showing the value. Office supplies quantity, technology quantity, dynamically it is showing. If I switch off this tooltip, it will not display the value. Okay. If I switch on this, it will display. So we don't do anything. Switch on means we'll keep same only. This. Okay. Like this, we'll do the format for the visualization. See, like this. Okay. You can select this, Control C, Control V. You can copy the visual. See, Control C, Control V. You can copy. Okay. So this, suppose I'm selecting this visual, and this visual like this. Okay. See one visual, if you done format, remaining you just select Control C, Control V. You can copy paste. Okay. So like this, we'll do the formatting. So stacked column, stacked bar, clustered column, cluster bar, same formatting only. Only the difference is near here only we'll get the difference. See here columns is there. If I am select this, bar will come. Only this is the difference. Remaining is all similar only. Okay, na? So this is the first four visualizations. For comparison purpose, we are using this. Okay, na? Any doubt is there from this? It's completely drag and drop only. Nothing we are doing. Simple. Any doubt is there till now? Clear? Okay. So, okay. Next class we'll see the another visuals. 100% stacked bar, 100% stacked column. Okay. We'll continue next class. Yeah, over.